Are you feeling overwhelmed as an insurance agency owner? I know at times I do. Do you find yourself wearing every hat? Recruiting, training, handling customer service issues, answering emails, managing policy renewals? What about the unexpected fires that come out of nowhere that you got to put out immediately? All these hats that you have to wear, it makes you feel like you're not getting anywhere. In this video, I'm going to break down the real role of an insurance agency owner and why your main role should be recruiting, training, and building systems to push your agency forward. Everything else you need to delegate or eliminate or put on pause. Hello, my name is Artez, and welcome to Ensure Your Success, where we train insurance agency owners how to build and grow their business. One of the biggest challenges that agency owners face today is not really understanding their role. And today we're going to make sure that we fix that. Your job is not to do everything. Your job is actually to focus on the things that's going to really grow your agency. Your main role is to be a visionary. And when you really look at things, it comes down to three main things that you need to focus your time on. Number one, recruiting agents and staff. Number two, training and developing leaders. And number three, building processes and strategies to push your agency forward. That's it. Everything outside of that, you need to delegate, eliminate, or put on pause. Now, let's talk about what is not your job. Your job is not handling policy retention issues. If your client misses a payment, do you need to really be the one that's calling them? No. You need to hire a policy retention specialist to do that job. So that's something that you want to delegate. The next thing that you shouldn't be doing is customer service calls. And what I really mean is you shouldn't be handling every single customer service calls. I realize that there are some clients you may need to speak with, but you don't really need to be handling majority of the customer service calls. Once again, that's something that you delegate, and you probably could get your team to do majority of your customer service calls. Now, this one is something that agents really get consumed with doing every single day. And that's taking every last phone call and responding to every last single email. This is the fastest way to get burnt out, and actually your day will wind up not being very productive if you spend all your time checking your emails. Set boundaries of when you're going to check and respond to emails. One of the things that I do, I set a block time on when I'm going to check and respond emails. Let's say I may set a block time between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. to check and respond to emails. That's it. This next role I'm about to talk about is a much needed role that you need to hire for, especially if you are recruiting a lot of agents. And that's an agent contracting specialist. Getting agents contracted with carriers is a full time job. It is something as an agency owner that you don't need to do. I promise you, if you wind up being a contract specialist, you're not going to have the time to do the things that you need to do to build and grow your agency. Contracting is one of the most time consuming tasks. If you're still doing it, you may want to consider outsourcing it or hire somebody to fill that role. The next role that you shouldn't be doing as an agency owner is marketing. Yes, you should be involved, but you shouldn't be doing it all. For example, if you're filming content like myself, you may want to consider to hire somebody to edit your content. Editing content is very time consuming, and sometimes it can be tedious, often eating away a lot of time for you to do the things that you need to do once again to build your agency. Also, consider hiring a social media manager, someone who can update your social media as well as your websites. Now, this next one, I'm going to highly recommend that you hire and outsource someone for this position, because if not, this could carry some serious consequences like fines or possibility jail. And that's hiring a bookkeeper and an accountant. Unless you really have a background in this area, you definitely want to delegate this position. A bookkeeper is someone that can basically track your income and expenses and also help you formulate a budget. They could also help you with providing information on the health status of your business, like your profit and loss statement, cash flow statements, and balance sheets. An accountant is someone that can take the information that the bookkeeper provides and provide you with a tax strategy to help you lower your taxes, make sure that you file your taxes, and that you stay out of IRS trouble. Now, once you identify your real role, that's where you need to spend 80% of your time on. Once again, what is your real role as an insurance agency owner? You are the visionary. You need to spend your time on recruiting agents and hiring staff, training and developing leaders, building processes and strategies to push your agency forward. When you start to shift your focus, you will see a huge difference. You will go from feeling stuck and overwhelmed to building a business that runs without you, addressing every single little task. Now, I want to hear from you. What are some of the things that you need to stop doing in your insurance agency? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. If this video was helpful, make sure you click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos on how to grow your insurance agency. So until next time, this is Ortez with Ensure Your Success. I'll see you on the next video.